my brothers and my sisters, please, Nigerians, please, when you look up, you will see the video playing up. Just give it a listening ear, a little bit, just few seconds of your time. This is just a video of Amoteku caught Fulani herdsmen, over hundreds of them, loaded in 2 trucks. They caught them in that Ore section, Ore, if you know Ore, so still under Ogun State. 2 trucks, loaded with more than close to 200 Fulani herdsmen to be distributed to all the bushes. Before they caught these 2 trailers, many trailers has passed. Even the recent killing that took place in Uromi, the ones going on in Enugu, is out of the trailers that passed before Amoteku intercepted these 2 trailers. Do you know what this Yoruba did? Yoruba Amoteku. Yoruba, they will never seem to surprise people. Do you know what they did? The governor said that they should refuel their car, that's the truck, and send them back. They caught all of them with ammunition, guns. This time around, these ones didn't say that they are hunters. They caught them with guns. They profiled them. In fact, many said that they don't even know where they are supposed to be. They are asked to be brought in those bushes and wait for further directives from their master. Do you know that Yoruba Amoteku did not even try to find out? They failed to even investigate who their master is. They just sent them back, gave them their guns back, go back. Do you know what happened after that? They came back. After that, they killed 150 people in Akure, killing Ondo, killing Ekiti, killing Kwara, killing Ore, killing everywhere. Do you know that Yoruba, sometimes, you know, it's not as if that Yorubas don't know what is going on. But bigotry, that is, because I don't know how to say it. Yorubas knows exactly what is going on. But because of what I cannot really say, they just hate Igbo people for no reason. Just to buy yourself because of politics or friendship. Let me tell you what I feel. Okay, they felt that if they attack these Fulani herdsmen, they will ruin the chance of Tinubu going for second term. So they want to play, they say, yeah, it's a free country, that there is a free movement of citizens. Yeah, they have to send them back. Governor said that they should send them back and fuel their car. The governor is looking up to going for other positions. So that was the reason why he did that. Friendship. It's better that his citizens die than him not ascending in other political positions. Do you get the point? But I want to ask Yoruba this simple question. Those people that were killed in Ondo State, did Tinubu go to Ondo State? Did he come there? The answer is no. Did he come to Ekiti? No. Did he go to Akure? No. Did he go to Kwara? No. Did he go anywhere? No, he did not. He never went all those places. It's like me now, I'm an Igbo man. It's like telling me now that Peter Obi, because Peter Obi want to become a president or he want to run for the position of presidency, I should not buy the Fulani herdsmen coming to my community bush. Or maybe if I buy Fulani that has come to buy me, that I will ruin the chances of Peter Obi. Who cares? I don't give a damn about whether it's a president or not. What I will not do is to allow Fulani to come to my bush, to invade my bush and intrude into my bush. I will not allow that. Even if it's my father that want to run for presidency, I cannot allow Fulani to invade my place. I cannot allow Fulani to be in my bush. It's not done. This is the card Yoruba is playing. So if you now buy them, the North will be angry, or maybe should I say that they are afraid of North, or maybe the North will be angry and Tinubu will not go for the second term. Now that they buy 150 people, did Tinubu come to pay a kind of condolence to the people in Akure? It did not. So it is left for you to choose either to die or to continue to fool yourself. Sheyi Tinubu said that his father is the best president. Only his father. So he does not care if you are dying or if you are alive. Yorubas, you are smarter than this. The ones I have here in abroad, the same type of people. When you talk about Igbo people, they are so agitated. What they are thinking is that Igbo people have properties all over the places. So if Igbo make any problem, they will attack their building and take over their building. That is what the ones I have here in abroad. That's what they are telling me. If we fight, that they will take over our buildings. So Igbo people buildings are more important than protecting your land. The next thing that they will say is that Igbos are dominating them. They have come to dominate. Hausa live in your place without, they don't pay. They live under the bridge, they sleep anywhere they see. Igbos come, spend money, buy land, develop it, create business, create opportunities, absorb your sons and daughters to be working in their offices and their companies. Who is benefiting? Who is benefiting? Yoruba sometimes, I don't really like Yoruba the way they operate. But what can we say? This is what we are saying. So when you look up, you see the Amotoku on their red suit. All they are doing is to apprehend Fulani herdsmen and send them back. That's all they are doing. And they also, when they come back, they buy their people. What have they done since they keep buying their people? Nothing. Nothing. So I am surprised that these kind of things are going on in this Yoruba land. I'm surprised with the smartness they claim to be. This is not smartness, it's bigotry. That's what I call it. Yorubas should try to change and do the right thing. Save their lives and save their land. I don't mean they shouldn't chase Igbo people. They should chase Igbo people, but they should chase every other person. Not only Igbo people. That's all I have for you guys. For you to see how Yorubas are so foolish and the way they behave in a manner that nobody will believe that Yorubas can behave like this. I swear. I'm so surprised. So surprised. So they prefer Tinubu to be enjoying and become president than saving the lives of their citizens. That's what it is. Someone like me, I don't care if Obi goes for presidency or not. But what I'm going to do is safeguard my bush, safeguard my properties, safeguard my communities, and even save the lives of my people. I don't care if Obi becomes president. How will that benefit me? It's not going to benefit me. Now that everybody is suffering, is the Yorubas are they benefiting better than any other person? The answer is no. So if you see someone in your bush who has come to invade you, to conquer you, the only thing you do is to take the person out. You don't need to wait for Tinubu or to wait for Yoruba people. No, you take the person out. Don't show it in social media, because when you blow it out in social media, then they will start to attack Tinubu. So do what you have to do and save the lives of your community people. That's all I've got for you people. Yoruba, try to change your strategy. These ones is not working. It's not working. Seriously.